Those techniques and mediums are excellent choices for your themes. Here are some tips on how to use them effectively. Watercolor. Layering. Use light washes to build up layers, creating depth and atmosphere in your landscapes. Wet on wet. Apply colors to a wet surface to achieve smooth transitions and a natural blending effect, perfect for capturing the fluidity of changing seasons. Dry brush. Use a dry brush technique to add texture to fields, leaves, and other natural elements. Acrylics. Bold strokes. Use bold, decisive brush strokes to convey the energy and vibrancy of harvest celebrations. Impasto. Apply paint thickly to create texture and dimension, making the produce and festive scenes more tactile and lively. Glazing. Layer transparent colors over dry paint to create depth and a rich, luminous quality. Charcoal and ink. Hatching and cross-hatching. Use these techniques to create texture and shading, giving dimension to farmers and traditional practices. Blending. Smooth out charcoal with a blending stump or your finger for softer transitions and shadows in rural landscapes. Line variation. Experiment with different line thicknesses to add interest and emphasis, especially in detailed work like facial features or intricate tools. These techniques will help you bring out the best in your chosen mediums and create engaging, expressive artworks. If you have any specific questions about these techniques or need more detailed guidance, feel free to ask.